makeup look. So before I start this video, I've already started to wipe my face with some of my Silah wipes by Nivea. As you can see, I've actually got some sellotape for my guide, just in case all the crumbs of eyeshadow and stuff just go down. So this is a guide, as you'll find out later on in the video. So first up, for my makeup tutorial, I'm going to use an eyebrow brush. I'm just going to start by brushing them, because they look so better when they're brushed, believe me. They're just a bit messy. They're messy when they're not brushed. Anyway, so I've finished with that. Now I'm going to be adding in some of this L'Oreal Paris inflatable, did I just say inflatable? Blush palette blushes. So this is actually what it looks like inside. I'm going to be choosing my blush even. So here is the palette. I think I'm going to use this colour because I just think it just caught my eye the minute I saw it. So just add in a little to the blush. And then put it on the apples of your cheeks. Okay. So that looks kind of nice. I'm just going to add in a bit of a darker one because that will look a bit better. I'm going to use this fan brush just to finish it off. The look. That is the blush done. Perfecto. Right, and now we're going to add eyeshadow. So first I'm going to start off with this white to be the base. So, ooh, lovely. This is very glittery. Like, look, it is so glittery. It's amazing. Like, so this white is meant to go to the brow bone. Okay, so the white is done. Now I'm going to start off with this pink. Okay, so now this is just going to be for the whole eyelid. So I'm just blending in the pink in because I need a bit more pink. Not as high as the white. Okay, now I've actually finished applying the pink. Now I'm going to go for a slightly darker look in this W7 in the Night Smoky Shades eye colour palette. I'm going to apply it into the socket of my eyelid. So the bit you've all been waiting for, guys. Some purple. I'm using this purple. It's pretty dark. I'm going to blend this in because blending is the key, guys. I think a few crumbs have fallen down, as you see. Can you see? That's exactly what I have to do. Oh, got some on my beautiful. Actually, it looks like we've got a black eye, but I don't care. So we're gonna use the same purpley colour, same one as we used in a socket, just under my eye. Okay, this would be better if I had a mirror, so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so blending is the key. This is so weird, but look, it feels so fun. It actually kind of looks nice. It does look nice. I am. Okay, so guys, recommend this. I'm gonna go on the next eye now. Blend in. Blend in. Blend in. Okay, so that looks pretty cool. We're going to use some of this liquid eyeliner by MAKE-UP. It's going to be glittery. It's got to be glittery. Okay, and then just go along on your eyeline. That was okay. Now go on the next eye. Okay, so guys, I've finished with my liquid eyeliner. So guys, now I'm going to put on some mascara. Oh wait, is this? Yep. Okay, so mascara is very important that you look at. I love the ink in mascara. It's good that it has a brush. Mascara always makes your eyelashes look so much more beautiful. Okay, next eye. How I do it is I leave it there and then I just blink. Okay, that actually hurt me, but for the first time. Okay, so guys, if you make any mistakes, like what I need to do, just get a cotton bud, like what I need to do with my mascara. Just wipe it and it will be all good. Everyone makes mistakes in life. Okay, so now I'm going to take off my tape. This is number 1. I'm going to take this one off. And number 2, I'm going to take it off. I think it's best to take it off from the bottom, guys. Now it's time to see what I look like without tape. I have no idea. It looks pretty. It looks pretty, kind of. Okay, so now, guys, still got a bit on my hair. You want to stay there, mister? I don't think so. Ooh. It was like crystal clear, but now it's all powdery because of my makeup. So this was pretty much a success. Wait, let me check this normal sellotape. Nice. You can see where the sellotape was. Now I'm going to start some of this Make Me Up lip gloss. I'm a fan of Make Me Up. Okay. This one kind of makes your lips metal. Okay, so guys, this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed this look. Really, I hope you do. I don't want just to look like an absolute freak. I truly don't. So guys, like and subscribe, and I know I'm not that good at makeup, but still, I need to practice, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I just want to add on a few shout outs. One is for Silah Mae. I love her. Silah Mae, her channel is all about beauty and makeup, and she's really kind and supportive to me. She gave me a shout out in one of her videos. And then next one is Allison Geneau. She does fantasy artistic makeup tutorials. She supports me. She's always fabulous and always comments on my videos. And the last one is Carolyn Thompson. She has a boy called Henry who is 9 and Australian. He does random stuff, and his name's Henry. He's 9, he's from Australia, and he has a dog in some of his videos. Go check him out. Check them all out, please, guys.